Hi, this is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com, and this is basically a shout out. This is not one of our normal videos that we do for our business here. We are a divorce document preparation firm in Santa Clarita. Today I'm just giving a shout out, if you will, to the Small Business Development Center at College of the Canyons. I've recently acquired their services. It's a free service where they help small business owners with a variety of things as far as doing a business plan, how to secure capital for your business, how to start a business. You don't even have to have an idea of a business, and you can use their services. The nice thing is they're supported or backed, I guess you would say, by the SBA, so it's a completely free service. From what I understand, they get paid by achieving milestones. So if they say, hey, we're going to help you write a business plan, and that's what I'm using them for now. I went to the orientation, and even though I've been in operation for 3 years, I never really put together a business plan. And because we're growing so quickly, I wanted to get a business plan in place. So moving forward, make sure we're taking the right steps. Because in the orientation, I'll tell you, the rate at which small businesses fail goes up every year. It was crazy numbers. I don't have those with me, but it was very interesting. So I want to make sure I have my business plan in place. I just went to my first intake meeting where they kind of find out where you're at. Do you have a business? Where are you at? What your sales are? Do you have employees? Things like that. Kind of set a baseline and find out what you need. It was very informative. And I'll be going to meet with a counselor who's going to now help me with my business plan and make sure that's tightened up. And then there's, again, a variety of things you can do. They also have workshops that you go to, and they're very helpful. The website is COC, as in College of the Canyons, SBDC, as in Small Business Development Center.org. They have a ton of information on their website. And the reason I wanted to do this video is because in orientation, they made it very clear that they're hoping that they get a lot more referrals to the Small Business Development Center, because most of the people, as I, who went there, found them on the internet, just searching for probably small business assistance or how to write a business plan, and their website does come up. But they mentioned they're trying to get a lot more referrals. When I was in the orientation, it was probably 90% of us, and there's probably 20 or 30 of us, who strictly found them online and not referral. So I'm hoping that this video will help spread the word. I'm going to do many more just as kind of a help flow to get the word out that they're there, especially if you're a small business like me. It would have been nice if I had known they existed 3 years ago, because I completely did this on my own without a plan other than the plan in my head. And if you're a small business, you know how that goes. So call them, let them know that I sent you. I'm doing this purely as just to get the word out. Let them know that I referred you. There's no benefit to me, but I'm sure they would appreciate knowing that you found them other than on the internet on their website. So my name is Tim Blankenship. We are a small business here in Santa Clarita. We help people get through the divorce for a flat fee. Thanks for watching. If you ever need our service, you can reach us at 661-281-0266 or at divorce661.com. Talk to you soon.